Hello everyone. Today our topic is control statements. So in this control statement we are going to cover the topic if statement, if else statement, nested if statement and if else if ladders. So what are these control statements? So in this control statements we have other control statements as well, like we have switch and we have break, continue, these kind of instructions. So first we will cover the if statement. So there may be a chance in a program where you want to put any logic on the basis of a particular condition. Suppose if that condition met, then you want to execute a particular line of code, or else you want to execute something else. So these kind of conditional statements are control statements. So let's do this control statements with the help of the examples. First, we will cover the topic if statements. So, what is the syntax for the if statement? How to write the code using if statements? So, what I will do, I will create a class, new, right click, class, and if statement example. If statement example, public static void main. As you can see that this Eclipse has created one class, public class with if statement example, and the package name is com.telecom, and this is my main method from where my program will execute, and public static void main and string argument. What I will do, I will see if I will write a code using if statement to check if a number is greater than 100 or not. If a number is greater than 100, then we will display some text. For example, we have int a is equal to 10. Then if the syntax of the if statement is if parenthesis curly braces, if we have multiple lines of code, and inside this curly braces we will pass a condition, like our condition is if this number a is greater than 100, then we want to execute a particular line of code. A is greater than 100, so it will return true or false. If it is true, then it will execute this line of code. Then we can, in order to print on the console, what we can do, system dot out dot println, and we can pass number is greater than 100. Now we will save this program. Let's execute this program. Right click, then run as Java application. As you can see that there is nothing on the console. Let's change the value of this a, 110, and save the program and execute it again. As you can see that the number is greater than 100. So with the help of this if statement, we can execute a particular line of code on the basis of a particular condition. If that condition met, then we will execute that line of code. If not, then we will not. Suppose now this is the case of my if statement. Along with this, we have if else statement. In if else statement, what we can do, we have syntax like, for if else we have syntax if parenthesis some kind of condition, here condition will come else it should execute something else. Here, whatever condition we will pass inside this, if that is true, then it will execute the line of code which is inside. If it is false, then it will execute line of code inside else. Suppose we want that if a number is even or odd. As we know that if a number is divisible by 2, then it is even. If not, then it is odd. Let's see. Then we can put a condition a modulus 2. If you divide a by 2 and if remainder is equal to 0, then the number is system.out.println. In that case, number is even. Else number is odd. Odd and even. Let's run this program and see the results. As you can see, the number is even because 110 is divisible by 2. Let's change its value to 113. And let's rerun it again. Okay. As you can see, the number is odd. Let's make it 500, which is even. Save. Number is even. Let's make it 501. Save. Number is odd. So if else statement we use where we want to execute a particular line of code on the basis of a particular condition. If that condition is true, then it will execute this. If it is false, then it will execute this. So we can pass a condition inside the parenthesis of if statement. So these were the examples of if and if else statement. In our next tutorial, we are going to cover the topic nested if.